I'm accepting the Invisible Disabilities Challenge from my friend Stephanie Lee. Invisible disabilities can range from mental health issues such as anxiety and depression to diseases such as multiple sclerosis and lupus. So they're referred to as invisible disabilities because they aren't necessarily noticeable to the people around you, but they affect your life and your quality of life nonetheless. So the challenge is simple. When you're tagged, you either donate to an appropriate organization that does research and treatments for individuals with invisible disabilities, or you sing a song on camera, or do both, and then you challenge others to do the same. So for those of you who, like myself, weren't aware off the top of your heads of any organizations geared towards invisible disabilities, compiled a little list which you can find at this URL. I'll probably type a link in somewhere. And if you are social media savvy, you could also try these suggested hashtags. Hashtag I love hashtags. I'm going to sing you a song now, and I hope you'll all give me an A for effort. You can reach me by railway. You can reach me by trailway. You can reach me on an airplane. You can reach me with your mind. You can reach me by caravan. Cross the desert like an Arab man. I don't care how you get here, just get here if you can. You can reach me by sailboat. Climb a tree and swing rope to rope. Take a sled and slide down a slope into these arms of mine. You can jump on a speedy coat, cross the border in a blaze of hope. I don't care how you get here, just get here if you can. There are hills and mountains between us, so it's something to get over. If I had my way, surely you will be closer. I need you closer. You can windsurf into my life, take me up for a carpet ride. You can make it in a big balloon, but you better make it soon. You can reach me by caravan, cross the desert like an Arab man. I don't care how you get here, just get here if you can. I would now like to extend this challenge to my mom, to my friends Ren and Roscoe, and to my cousin Mooney. Yay!